Hello, TASOC teachers. So this video is going to show you how you'll be able to get Edublogs Pro count this school year. I'm going to need to have you guys do a couple things first. I'm going to see who has this done on Friday, and then those people will be upgraded to Pro. So for those that want to get upgraded to Pro, you have to add me as an admin. And in order to do that, you go into users and you'll have your options here. You could do add new user here if that works for you. Some people prefer just clicking user and then seeing this add new at the top. Most of you should see Sarah McAllister as one of your administrators, and this is how she was able to upgrade your account last year. So if you go to add new, you can add me to your specific account. So go ahead and just add chopkins@tasoc.net, my email there, and make sure you change it to administrator. If I'm not an administrator, I can't upgrade your blog. Once that happens, click add existing user, okay? And then it'll add me to your blog. Then when I go to upgrade blog, I can go to bulk upgrades, and I'll be able to choose how many I need. Otherwise, I won't be able to upgrade your Edublog count to Edublogs Pro. So please do this as soon as you can. I will try to get that done by Friday. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. I hope you're all having a wonderful